Alright, so this video is about fixing melted keys or replacing keys on a Surface laptop. So let's get a nice picture. Yeah, that guy looks sad. Okay. Alright, so let's pop these guys out. This happened because I applied heat from the top accidentally. This can also happen to you if you got your computer under Australian weather by the window or something. Then you come and have a look, oh my god, it's melted cheese. Okay. Now, this is the keyboard where partially messed up, as you can see. So, just gonna pop these keys out. Great. And the last one. Done. Okay, so yeah, that's it, mate. I'll make another part video on putting this guy back. Okay. Alright, okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.